Lock your phone into this selfie stick tripod and shoot photos and videos like you're toting a camera. It's got a comfy grip and handy buttons. With a simple flip and a pop of the bottom, it morphs into a tripod, offering steady horizontal or vertical shooting. Want to push up the height? Just give it an upward yank, super slick design. Take off the shutter button and you've got a selfie remote control. Fold in the tripod, mount the shutter button on top, and boom, it's a selfie stick. Plus, you can add on accessories like ring lights and mics at the 2 port spots. You can even switch to left or right-hand grip and adjust the mobile position up and down as per your groove. It tucks away easily and comes at a price cheaper than many selfie sticks. Seriously, what are you waiting for, buddy? Be hasty and make it yours.